Thank you.
Most welcome. Two random atoms trapped in a universe of chaos.
Chaos? Surely human aspiration is for order, harmony.
I grapple with chaos. My purpose is to capture this chaotic universe in one single elegant theorem, the distillate of scientific truth.
Isn't truth integrity? Beauty?
Beauty? No. Scientific truth. In silence I seek it, aloud thinking, always thinking. Except when I am not.
When not?
When my intellectual offspring end up in the graveyard of frustrated hopes.
And then?
And then, on my fridge, I plan.
Fridge? Your fridge?
Patent number 1781514.
But you are Dr. Einstein.
I stand disrobed.
It annoys you that I am posing.
A noise? I, Einstein, am distinguishable. Pursued. Albert, you?
Listen.
Lisbeth, you attend my lecture.
More than once. This time.
Yeah, in the second row. See, I remember.
Tonight, you left. Alone. Here's my chance.
You are not the first.
This is very important. To me. To us both.
Axel, journalist.
My profession is art.
Questions are for the lecture hall critic.
I'm sorry. I needed to be alone with you so that I might...
Alone? I, Albert Einstein, am like a flame to the moth, never alone, but thinking, always thinking.
Except when you are not. You said so yourself. When your intellectual offspring end up in the graveyard of frustrated hopes. What then? Art? Music? The philosophers? Past regrets?
Trivial questions, journalist.
As I said, I'm an art critic.
Formulated without first principles. I seek truth. You, scribbler, seek what?
When you find truth elusive, what then?
Must I forever repeat? Then on my fridge I work. Your name as a scribbling critic?
Feist. Elizabeth Feist. When I was born, it was...
Austrian, yeah, Feist. Thick, it means, yeah. Dense. Eva was careless. Then she failed the mathematics.
When Mileva wrote the examination, she was carrying your daughter. Carrying little Lisa.
She failed.
I tracked her down. I found Mileva. We spoke.
Mileva Maric? Did Mileva Maric tell you that she was a failure at all?
And yet, later, 2 years later, you married her.
My first marriage is known, critic. What do you want, huh? What story? What scandal?
Story? Scandal? I want... I have a need to understand. Your past regrets?
present, future. Time is not as a constant flowing river.
But cannot we be constant? Or perhaps it is you who is not, has never been constant.
I? Einstein?
You must once have loved Lieserl's mother. When you met, when you courted.
Sex through the distorted optic of romance. Only so close, only so long. Then
Didn't you yearn, even for a moment, for the daughter you never set eyes on? Love felt once, even once, can reassure, console, perhaps even reconcile.
feelings. Ideal in scientific proof. The rest.
Dr. Einstein, you have missed, must miss still, so much.
The great Claude Bear am I. Content in his den, huh?
His den, dark, empty. You miss no one? Mileva? What about your sons born after you married Mileva? Hans Albert, Edward?
Longing admits no proof. Hans Albert yearns. These are bastard sons. The Serbian witch should never have bred.
The daughter you abandoned? Were you never even this curious?
I was in Zurich, she in Novi Sad. Go to Serbia for what?
For what?
I save curiosity for that which matters.
For that which matters.
How time and space intersect.
No curiosity about people. How they intersect. How a family binds in love. How we may yearn for one another. No curiosity for little Liesel. How she felt bereft and longed to know you, her father.
Longing. Hans Albert yearns. He feels bereft in his asylum. No.
On January 27th, 1902, in Novi Sad, Liesel was born.
Lizero Maric, daughter of Mileva Maric. Father, Einstein Albert. Lizero.
I am your firstborn, your daughter, Liesel, meaning abundant is my God.
My God.
Now,
What now do you want
now,
from me?
want. I have now all that I want. Everything.
Everybody wants something.
No, not everybody wants. But yes, everybody shows something. It's in our nature to show who we are. You have shown me who you are, Dr. Einstein. As a husband, as a father. You have shown me how my yearning and love were illusions, misplaced. I have learned an important lesson.
Yearning. Love. Implausible fantasies founded neither on logic nor on mathematics. But you have learned. Yeah. Commendable. What?
I have learned that I need no I have learned that without human trust, your theorems linking time and space, energy and matter are worth what?
Only science provides trust, brings learning, delivers wisdom.
When something no longer possesses value, it's time to cast it off. The truly wise carry with them the burden of doubt. Now you are silent. You are aptly named.
How so?
Einstein. Einstein. Trapped in stone.
Trapped.
You. But me? Freed. Your tongue has liberated me. Released. I know now where my true home is. Who my loving Father is. I'm no longer confused. Thank you.
Never have I received such disregard from a woman. Me, Einstein, trapped in stone.